Welcome back to Laurier Woods. This week we made fancy bracelets out of nature with duct tape. With a bag, we collected some stones and leaves for a special activity later on. Let's not forget our favorite rock and some risky play. We found some really interesting leaves.
We're gonna keep it, okay? Like leaves and rocks. That's it. That's what you said.
Not those.
That's not a leaf. Okay, Mom, don't care. Here's the fun one.
They'll do it in the field while people.
What a great way to make friends. We even found some tree bark. And look, what great problem-solving skills.
You're bouncing. Oh, I like how you did that. You bounced straight back up onto the path.
There. Beautiful. Good job.
Yay, wow.
You're beautiful.
And now it's time for another activity. We have some crayons and paper, and we're going to do some bark rubbing and
That's
see
it,
what
Anthony.
kinds of texture and
That's
patterns we can create.
What do you think?
You could almost do a little dance with that if you got some rhythm going. There you go.
Tony, is it the same as the other tree or is it different? Do they look the same or are they different? They are different. Do you know why they're different? Are they the same kind of tree? Do they have different kind of leaves?
Well, if you look at the bark, is it soft? Is it soft? No? Is it bumpy?
And what about your other tree?
And soft? Okay. It's smooth.
You're trying different trees and surfaces too. What is all the wooing about? Oh, look at that. Oh, that is cool. I like how it's creating a pattern. Did you use more than one color on that? Oh, I see. Oh my goodness.
this grass has grown. What did we find here? Is there a current in the water?
Faster, here it comes, Betty. You should see it right about now. Do you see it? Here comes another one.
Did someone say bingo? Is that why we collected all of these leaves and rocks? And who can forget playing in puddles? Time for our snack and a story. We had more than one surprise visitor. The train and some ducks.
Quack, 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 quack. He led the others with the quack, quack, quack. He led the others with the quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack.
To our next adventure. See you next time.